The evolving star in this case is this one here. Okay, this is the star. Actually, the star started as small, but this enlarged version of the star so that you can see the steps to draw the first and smallest star. First, line 8, we put our pen up so that we don't generate any line. And then we go to 0, 0, line 9. The 0, 0 is right here. Okay, that is 0, 0. And then we let the turtle go forward x units. Since the pen is up, this is actually invisible line, invisible. And the length of this is x. It depends on the first x here. Look at line number 15. The first x is 30, so this is x is equal to 30. Okay, when the turtle is right here, okay, we put the pen down so that we can draw the star now. And this is the first we are going to draw this arc here. And how do we draw that? Note that the orientation of the turtle at this point is like this. But we want the orientation of the turtle to be like this, opposite. So there is a 180-degree turn to the left of the turtle. Look at line number 13. Now that the turtle is turning left, we are ready to draw this arc here. Arc. Actually, the turtle, when it generates a circle, it is clockwise, counterclockwise, I mean. But since the radius here is negative, the generation of the circle generation is clockwise. Okay, so you see how the arc here is generated clockwise. from this point here, okay, to this point here. So at this point, the turtle is right here. And again, the direction of the turtle is like that, but we don't want that. You want the direction of the turtle to be the opposite, so like this one here. So I should turn the turtle 180 degrees again to the left. Okay. So this is the command for turning the direction of the turtle 180 degrees to the left. And then I draw again the arc. This is the second arc here, which is drawn clockwise. We just repeat this one here. This is repeated 4 times until we have 4 arcs in the star. Okay, so we have defined how the star is drawn here. And then we go to line number 15, x is equal to 30. We have already applied that. Look, x is equal to 30 on the right side of the illustration. And then the R and the B actually refers to the RGB, to the color of the lines and arcs. Um, just in case you forgot about this, just in case you don't know about this, if it is 255 for the R, 0 for the G, and 0 for the B, this color is red. Okay, and just in case this is 0 and this is 0 and this is 255, the color is blue. The star started as blue, color of new star, while the red is the color of the old star. Okay, we started with R is equal to 0 and B is equal to 255. That means the initial star that we are drawing is blue. Okay, blue. So look at this. This is B, 255, and the R is 0. What we are doing while we are drawing this evolving star is we will make the value of R go up and the value of B go down. I'm referring to commands 22 and 23. So what will happen is we will have the star colored red at the end. Okay. And note that before I draw the star here, command number 19, I will first specify what my R, G, and B are. So initially it's red 0 to 5, and then after drawing the star, command 20, we are invoking the function star x, which is this one here. This is star x. Command number 7. And then after we have drawn the star, we make the star bigger, number 22, by 14 units. I mean, the generating line is 14 units longer. And then we make, again, the colors different by making the red appear stronger and making the blue appear weaker. After drawing incidentally the first star, we move the turtle 10 degrees to prepare for the new star. And this is the image that is generated by this program here.